Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce a very interesting social media tool called Napoleon Cat. And if you are somebody who is offering social media as a service, I am sure you are going to enjoy this video. The amazing feature of it is it acts as social inbox that lets you connect all of your social media inboxes into one unified dashboard. I am going to show you how exactly this works. So let's start by going to www.napoleoncat.com and then click on Try Napoleon Cat for free button on the top right corner. You are then directed to the sign up page where you can either sign up with your email or via your Google or Facebook account. I am going to sign up with my email ID. Enter the email ID here and set a password. Then click Sign up with email. After signing up, you will be directed to a survey page where you can see options like choose your business type, what are you most interested in, and who will be using Napoleon Cat. After choosing options, click on Continue button. Then you will be taken to connect your profiles page. From there, you can add your social profiles that wants to be managed using Napoleon Cat. I am going to add a Facebook page here. When you click on it, you can see the connect option and hit that button. Likewise, I am going to connect Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube profiles. Then click on next step. Here we can track our competitors' profile to see how they are performing and can compare results with what we are doing. Here I am adding one of my competitors' profile. Then click on Start using Napoleon Cat button. Here you can see a welcome page and a dashboard where you can find a vertical menu bar with options, inbox, publish, analytics, project settings and reports. Next I am going to show you how to set up different projects in Napoleon Cat. Click on project settings. From here also we can add or remove social profiles by clicking connect profile button on the top right. We are currently in the default projects. Let's rename it. Clicking on this down arrow, we will see the option to create new project. Click on it and give the project a name. Now we can add social media profiles to this project as we did earlier. Now let's see how to invite users in. Clicking on down arrow on the top right will bring up a few options. From there click on the team option. We can add a new team name and can invite users to the team by clicking on the invite button on the top right. We can add the user's email ID, select the team name, define permissions and access to elements listed. Then click on invite button. So we invited the user. Next we are going to discuss an amazing feature of Napoleon Cat. Let's see how to publish posts together on all social profiles. For that you can see the publish option in the dashboard and click on it. We will see a calendar showing Publication schedule. Hit the plus icon in the top right. We can see the options to set our post. We can add images, videos, links, locations and first comment. Now we can select an image for publishing. Type the text for the post. If you want to schedule this post, we can set it here. You can select the social media profiles you want to post. In the right side, you can see the preview of the post. If all goes well, let's hit the schedule button. Then we have the inbox option in dashboard. In this inbox, we will get the messages of all the social profiles. We can reply to all messages from here itself. It does not even need to go to social profiles. This is a huge advantage of Napoleon Cat. Another feature of Napoleon Cat is its analytics. It helps to measure your brand success and engagement while planning a social media strategy. In it, we can see the performance of all the social profiles. Here we can see a lot of options like reach, engagement, impressions, followers, posts. Analyzing all these, we can understand where we have to improve our performance. Last but not the least, we have another feature called reports. In this, we can create and schedule new reports. And there are options to export data. This helps to analyze the performance of our business. Here are some payment options that will help you use Napoleon Cat to its maximum ability. There are 3 payment options: Standard, Pro and Custom. You can choose as per your wish. Also, you can upgrade or downgrade at any time. We saw a lot of features of Napoleon Cat. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.